Hi, I'm Urmi Kaur and you are watching me on Femina.in. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.
Use a moisturizer to lock in hydration. Conceal under eye area evenly. Using a makeup sponge, blend for a uniform finish. Don't forget to conceal your eyelids as well. Take a brush and apply foundation all over your face. Apply the loose powder to set the foundation. Contour your cheekbones for a chiseled look. Don't forget to contour your jawline as well. Apply a soft pink shade all over your lids. Now blend well and outwards to avoid a patchy effect. Apply a shimmery gold shade on the inner halves of your lids. Extend it to inner halves of your lower lash line. Apply brown kohl and gently buff out as shown. Repeat on your lower lash line. Fill in and groom brows. Apply a pink blush to the apples of your cheeks. Now highlight the high points of your face with the gold highlighter. Don't forget to highlight your Cupid's bow too. Curl lashes and apply mascara. Highlight the inner corners of your eyes and your brow bones. Finish the look with the fuchsia lip color.